Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the reagents which are used to distinguish between aldehydes and ketones, right? So we will start first with the Tollens reagent. So actually Tollens reagent is basically the silver mirror test only. It is also known as silver mirror test. So in this test what happens, all aldehydes, whether it is aliphatic aldehyde or an aromatic aldehyde, both aldehydes, they show the reaction with Tollens reagent, whereas ketone does not react at all with the Tollens reagent. Second one is Fehling solution. So in case of Fehling solution, aliphatic aldehydes, they give the reaction, but aromatic aldehydes, for example benzaldehyde, it will not show the reaction with Fehling solution, as well as all the ketones, they will also not show any reaction with the Fehling solution. Now come to the iodoform test. So actually iodoform test is given by all aldehydes and ketones which are having at least one CH3 group in it. Means mandatory is one CH3 group should be attached to the functional group. So here I have some compounds for the to distinguish between these compounds. We will just write the name of the reagent, right? So let's start. First is propanol and propanone. So propanol is CH3CH2CHO, right? Just to distinguish between these sort of compounds, we should always know the structure first, okay? And propanone is CH3COCH3. So one is aldehyde and one is ketone. So I think in this case, Tollens reagent will also work, right? As well as Fehling solution will also work because it is a aliphatic aldehyde. Second is acetophenone and benzophenone. See, acetophenone is benzene ring having C double bond O CH3, and benzophenone is two benzene rings attached with ketonic group. So in this case we can see that both are ketones, right? So one is having at least one methyl group. So this can be distinguished with the help of iodoform test. Okay. Now coming to the third one, that is ethanol and propanol. Ethanol is CH3CHO and propanol is CH3CH2CHO. Now we can see both are aldehydes, but one is having at least one methyl group, single methyl group, so they can also be distinguished with the help of iodoform test. Now coming to propanol and benzaldehyde. Propanol is CH3CH2CHO and benzaldehyde is benzene ring having CHO. Now both are aldehydes, right? And we can see there is no methyl group, so no iodoform test. But one is Fehling solution test, which I have told you that in Fehling solution test they give the test of aliphatic aldehydes but not aromatic aldehydes. So it can be distinguished by the help of Fehling solution. So in this way you can distinguish between the compounds given